So this is how I make and edit my videos. I use Windows Movie Maker. It's old. It's really old. This is from like 2011, 2010, something like that. But it's simple, very easy to use, like ridiculously easy to use. I'm not very smart with computers, and I have managed to figure this out. Already working on this one, so I already got these up here. But if you're starting from scratch, you would just go to add videos. Another window would pop up to let you select your video files. My screen recorder thing won't show that other window, but when you hit add videos, all your video files will pop up and you select the ones that you want. Then they'll pop up right here. I've already been working on this one here, so I like to keep them the video clips I just cut and chop up as I see fit. Like let's see, this is as far as I got. So I'll hit play. I don't need to see all this boring stuff. So I'll hit edit, split it, right click, remove, and I pretty much just repeat that process over and over until I get good stuff. See, boring. Split it, remove it, piece of cake, man. And then like this is old too. Go to animations for a transition, and piece of cake. See, easy. If you want to add music, it's real easy. Hit add music right here. Another window will pop up, and then you just put in your whichever music you want right here. Then you can see it right here. And you can put it wherever you want. It's best to use generic no copyright music that I got from YouTube. And then the music files have the same option as video files. You can split it, right click it, and it'll give you an option to remove it. And then you just gotta put it back where you want it. Easy though, man, super easy. Again, use YouTube's very picky about copyrighted music, man. You could have like a second of it in your video and it'll demonetize the whole video. Like if somebody's in their buggy and they cruise by with it playing for 2 seconds, it could screw up your whole video on YouTube. So make sure you use non-copyrighted music. At the end, I'll just usually add my credits. It says I'll change that to subscribe. Oops. And you can import your own fonts or whatever. This is like ridiculously easy. I know a lot of people use a lot better video editors, but ATV videos just don't require that much. Sure, you could get a lot more fancier, but I don't know. This is simple, super simple. So if you got a GoPro, I know a lot of people get them all the time, and then they don't know what to do with a video. This is super simple, super simple. Start YouTube, start recording all your rides, put it on YouTube, get enough subscribers and all that stuff, start getting paid to do what you do. Just getting paid to have fun. It's a piece of cake, man. I know a lot of people get GoPros all the time and they don't know what to do with the video. This is it right here, man. Get a hang of this right here, Windows Media Maker, or Windows Movie Maker. Super simple. Can't say it enough. Ride, video, put it on YouTube, eventually get paid to do what you love. Not a lot. Not a lot unless you get unless you blow the hell up. Then you get some serious money. But yeah, ask me any questions if you got any. I'll put the link how to get Windows Movie Maker down in the description. And always like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. All that stuff, man. Helps out tremendously when you like it, share it. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're using, all that stuff. Let me know if this helps. Anyways, y'all have a good one.